In this worksheet, we are going to learn about acceleration. Acceleration is change in velocity with respect to time. Change in velocity of an object per unit time is called its acceleration, and the formula of acceleration is change in velocity upon my time taken, basically v minus u upon t. V is final velocity and u is initial velocity, and it is divided by time. So acceleration is represented by small a, and the SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. So this is how we can elaborate acceleration. Acceleration is represented by small a, and its formula is final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. Its unit is meter per second square, and it is denoted by small a, and acceleration is change in velocity per unit time. So the acceleration value can be positive or it can be negative. It will be positive if final velocity v is more than initial velocity, then the value of acceleration is positive, and if the final velocity v is less than u, then its value will be negative, and this type of motion is called retarded motion. When the value of acceleration is negative, then it is retarded motion, and the value of acceleration is positive, then it is called accelerated motion. So acceleration can be positive or it can be negative. It will be positive when the value of v is greater than u, and when value of v is less than u, then it will be negative. And positive type of acceleration is called accelerated motion, and negative type of acceleration is called retardation motion. Now we are going to discuss about velocity time graph. Velocity time graph represents acceleration. In first graph we can see the velocity time graph is representing the acceleration. Acceleration is of two types, uniform and non-uniform motion. In case of uniform motion, there is a straight line in the graph, and in case of non-uniform motion, there is a curved shaped graph, or a J shape, S or a J shaped graph you can say. So when we will find that the acceleration is uniform or non-uniform. In uniform acceleration, the velocity increases or decreases by equal amount in equal interval of time, whereas in non-uniform motion, the velocity of an object changes unevenly with time. So that's why it is called non-uniform motion.